Hi everyone, my name is Luis and I'm here to teach you how to make miniature props and dioramas for your toys. In this course, you will learn how to transform your toilet paper roll into a trash can. Make a shipping container out of a cookie box, a destroyed building with cardboard. As you can see, these are materials that you can find at home. Together we will find new ways to make cool props for your toys with all those materials, preventing them from reaching the environment. Also, you will learn about responsible and sustainable consumption, which is one of the environmental action strategies of the Orfe EcoArt Program. Keep in mind that the most important thing is to help our planet. So please don't go out and buy all the materials you don't have or that you think you will need. It's crucial to give a second life all these things you have at home. Because according to the UN, recycle and reusing will make a huge difference to the consumption and the sustainable production. Don't be afraid to be creative. One good idea can change the world.